Hello everyone. Thanks for joining this session. Today I would be talking about drones, going in detail about it, why drones are used, where it is used, when to use, what all the regulatory aspects to be taken care when you are flying a drone. Having said that, I would be going in detail about it. What is drone? Drone, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAV), are remotely controlled or autonomous aircraft that can be used for various purposes. Then comes types of drones and reactional drones, in which yeah, this is being used for hobbyist purpose, such as aerial photography and videography. Then comes as part of these commercial drones, what all the things are there as part of the commercial drones for which is used for business purpose. It could be surveying, inspection, and delivery. Then comes military drones used for military purpose such as surveillance and reconnaissance. Then going in detail like application of drones, and as part of this application of drones, aerial photography and videography, drones are used for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. Surveying and mapping, drones are used for create drones are used to create detailed maps and surveys of land and infrastructure. Then comes the inspection and monitoring. In this, drones are used to inspect infrastructure such as bridges and building and monitor environment changes. Delivery and transport. Drones are being tested for delivery and transport of goods such as packages and medical supplies. Then comes the benefit of drones. What are the benefit of drones? Increased efficiency. Drones can be automate tasks and reduce the need for man labor. Improved safety. Drones can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries in hazardous environment. Enhanced accuracy. Drones can provide detailed and accurate data and imagery. Having said that, what are the challenges and limitations of drone? It has to follow regulation. Drone regulation vary by country and region and can be complex and restrictive. Safety concerns perspective. Drones can pose safety risk such as collisions with people or other aircraft. Then comes the technical limitation. Drones have a limitation in terms of battery life, range, and payload capacity. Then classification of based on the weight, uh, DCGA or digital sky categories. As per the Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DCGA), Director of uh, General of Civil Aviation, and India's drone, and are classified into categories. That category could be nano, micro, small, medium, or large. Weight range less than 250 grams. Toy drones, close range, hobby drones. Then some micro 250 grams to 2 kgs. Photography, educational purposes. Then comes 2 to 25 kgs, agriculture, surveillance and delivery. Then medium range 25 kg to 150 kg, industrial inspection cargoes. Large it is more than 150 kgs, defense, which is used for defense large scale logistics. So that's the weight, based on the weight, how that has been categorized, and their use cases, various use cases. Then moving on to um, classification by use cases. Is for commercial drone used in agriculture, for spraying, then monitoring, logistics, last mile delivery, surveillance, can be used by the police or municipal use, then mapping, GIS survey land records, filmmaking and photography. Then comes the defense drone managed by DRDO and Indian Armed Forces. Types include combat drone, example DRDO, Gatak, UCAV, surveillance drone, example Rustom, then Nishant, Rustom and Nishant. Improved drones like MQ9 Reaper under consideration. The reaction drone used by hobbyists, V-Lodger drone, racing club, mostly nano and macro strategy. So basically, nano and macro categories are being used as part of this. Then classification by design and functionality. Drone type fixed wing, and so like small planes, long range and efficient. Example of models in India: Indian Forge Switch UAV, DRDO Rustum. Then rotary wing, helicopter style, includes quadro- quadrupters, hexopters, or Garuda aerospace drone, DGI variants. Hybrid VTOL, vertical takeoff plus fixed wing cruise, throttle aeroplane drones, nano surveillance, very small, steam, ste- ste- stealthy for defense spying, and black hornet nano, important DRDO works. Popular Indian drones companies like India Forge, then Garuda Aerospace, and for agriculture and delivery, then Arav unmanned system, mapping and surveying perspective, then Throttle Aerospace, commercial and defense drones, Saga Defense Engineering, Inc. Maritime and Defense Drone. Regulatory snapshots as of 2025. Drone registration via Digital Sky platform. Pilot licenses required for macro and above, except nano. Green, yellow, red zone areas, system for flying, and permissions. Ban on import of drones except for defense, and R&D. Then that's the regulatory snapshots of 2025. Drone registration and pilot licenses, green and yellow and red zone definition, then ban on import of drones except for defense and R&D purpose. Then comes drone as a service. And in this, as part of this drone as a service model, is rising paradigm in India's tech ecosystem, especially encouraged under government of India initiatives like Drone Shakti and Kishan Drone. Here is a breakdown of concept and its relevance. As part of drone as a service, they are um, experienced. What is this drone as a service? Is based on service model where drones are not sold to end users but instead offered as a service, including the drone, the pilot, operator, data processing, and analytics. How it works: instead of buying and maintaining drone, users hire drone operators or companies for tasks like mapping, surveillance, crop spraying, then industrial inspection, surveying, and geo partial data collection. Then, as part of this, why governance of India supports drone as a service? Scalability for rural areas. Farmers and Gram Panchayat can access drone without capital investment, especially used in Kisan drone and application. Entrepreneurship push creates opportunity for drone startups and youth entrepreneurs to offer services. Skill India and NSDC are training drone pilots to support this. Standardization and ensures certified operators and data compliance integrated with the digital sky for legal and geo zoning companies. As part of this, what are the different use cases? In case of agriculture sector, uh, pesticide spraying and crop health analysis under Kisan drone. Then comes land record SVAMI scheme for village uh, property mapping. Disaster relief, NDRF uses drone for searching and rescue and damage assessment. Smart cities like infrastructure monitoring, pollution tracking, mining and energy, asset inspections, voluntary analysis, logistic emerging last mile delivering. Pilot models are compliance like Red, Red Wing Labs. Then key players in India offering DRAS, uh, Garuda Aerospace is Idea Forge, then Acertia Aerospace, Skylark Drone, Arav Unmanaged Services, AUS, Drone Center of Excellence. Establishing a drone center of excellence in India, especially within the government, academia, or industry partnership, requires structured consultant led approach focused on strategy, technology, policy, and ecosystem development. Drone Center of Excellence. As part of this consultant playbook style approach to getting into the drone center of excellence, what are the things? What is that vision and objective? That's the first thing. Then stakeholder mapping and governance model. Then infrastructure capability blueprint required. The next step would be the program design and service offering. Skill development and certification is also required. Then partnership and ecosystem development. Then pilot projects and KPIs. Compliance and risk management. Communication and outreach plan. Sustainable and scalable plan. So this is very important, and so I would be going in detail about this. And uh, the various steps to be required as part of establishing a center of excellence, and I will be going in detail in next slide. Thanks for joining this session. Have a nice day. Thank you.